You know, when I was asked to talk about the impact or the things that Coach Thomas did for me, you know, the list, I don't even know where to begin, to be honest. You know, the ability to make any individual feel as though they can do anything, the knack to, you know, reach every kid individually in the sense of, you know, finding every kid's every student athlete's and being able to reach that, and then being able to be real with them. You know, not every coach has the ability to be as real as Coach Thomas was, and, you know, be really honest and keep you going on the path that's what's best for you. He had an innate ability to be able to make you believe that, you know, anytime you stepped out on the track, it was go time, and it was time to be the very best you could be. And he was able to put that belief in you, you know, and then simply just being there for someone. I've never met a coach that any given moment of the day was that there for someone. You know, he is one of the few people in my life that showed me what true unconditional love was. A lot of people throw that word around, but not everybody uses true unconditional love. And so, you know, that ability that he had to do that, you know, I will always be thankful. And as I've gotten into my own coaching experiences now, the way he coached is in everything I do. And so, you know, you don't realize how great of a coach and mentor he was until you start to do those things that he did and realize the effectiveness of it. He is one of a kind, one of the greatest people I've ever met. I miss him every day, and I'm just hoping to continue his legacy in whatever way I can and whatever way LTYD can.